Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to break down the flamenco 12 count. So this is for new beginners, and if you haven't had any experience at all, don't worry, I'll keep it slow. And if you want more help with your flamenco journey, there's more videos on my channel. There's a lot of free resources in the description below, as well as a 10-day trial for my Online Flamenco Studio. So let's begin. Okay, so there are many different rhythms in flamenco, and they have different time signatures. The majority of flamenco is in the 12 count. But if you have started flamenco before, usually you will start out with a 4 count, like in tangos, which is nice and easy and accessible. But then you level up to the 12 count. And this 12 count rhythm, the compás, the beat, is in 12s, and it applies to the different palos of flamenco, different flamenco musical categories. Alegrías, soleá por bulería, guajiras, etc. So one thing to remember or to think about is the compás, like the actual count of it. It starts on 12 and it ends on 10. Which sounds very crazy, but it starts off like this. So we're going to do it with our palmas. So we have 12, and it goes into 1. So 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the beat, the count starts on 12, and then if you're going to end, it ends on 10. And the accents are 12, 3, 6, 8, 10. So let's try that. So let's play palmas, and we'll do the heavy accent. We have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, that's just playing the palmas, the clapping, just on the beat with the accents. But we're going to get fancy here and play the syncopated version of palmas, which is more common. So it just comes out like this, and I'll break it down. Ba, ba, bam, ba, 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 da, da, ka, tan, da, ka, tan. And ba, ba, bam, bam, ba, ba, da, da, ka, tan, da, ka, tan. 12. So here we go. So we start off with 12. 12 and 2, 3. Again. 12 and 2, 3. Again, 12 and 2, 3. Bam, ba, bam, bam. And then we'll repeat that. 12 and 2, 3, and 5, 6. Again, 12 and 2, 3, and 5, 6. 12 and 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Ba, ba, bam, bam, ba, bam, ba. And then we end it with ta-ka-tan, 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 ta-ka-tan. 7, 8, 9, and 10. All together. 12 and 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And 12 and 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 12 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's practice this with solo compás. We'll keep it nice and slow, and then we'll build up the tempo. So here we go, here we have, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And to know where you are in the compás, you want to listen for ta-ka-tan, ta-ka-tan, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's try the syncopated. Ba, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Ba, ba, bum, ba, 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 da, da, ga, dan, and ba, ba, bum, ba, 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 da, ga, dan, 12, and 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go a little bit faster, and then we'll practice with the guitar. Here we go. We have da ga dan, ba dum ba dum ba da ga dan. Here we go. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, and ba, ba, gum, ba, ba, da, da, ga, dan, da, ga, dan. Da, ba, ba, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 12, and 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ba, ba, bum, ba. Da, ga, dan, da, ga, dan. You ready for the guitar? Here we go. So this rhythm, this palo, is called Alegrías, happy. So let's listen for it. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Da, ga, dan, da, ga, dan. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. Now syncopated. Bam, ba, bam, ba, 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 da, ga, dan, da, ga, dan. Ba, da, ga, da, da, ga, da, da, ga, dan, da, ga, dan. 12, and 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12, and 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go, and 7, 8, 9, 10. How was that? Thanks for joining me and learning your palmas for the 12 count, going into Alegrias. So we did the palmas straight and then palmas syncopated. Ba, da, ga, da. And if you want to continue learning flamenco with me, I invite you to join me inside my Online Flamenco Studio. It's a wonderful place to be where we speak, feel, and dance flamenco. There are over 60 courses for brand new beginners all the way through advanced levels in choreography, technique, and flamenco theory. Plus, we have a vibrant community, monthly challenges, monthly workouts, live trainings, and practice sessions. Follow the link below and you can join for a 10-day free trial. So I would love to dance with you over there. But I will see you next time in another video. Bye.